Important parallels and meridians. There is a figure in front of you. Let us get acquainted with some important parallels and meridians. All the places, if you see in the map, between 23 degree 30 minutes north and south of the equator receive perpendicular sun's rays on 2 days in a year. Other areas of the earth never gets perpendicular rays. The parallels at 23 degree 30 minutes north and 23 degree 30 minutes south of the equator are called as Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. You can see this in the map respectively. The parallels at 66 degree 30 minutes north and south of the equator are almost important parallels. In the area between these two parallels throughout the year, daytime lasts within the limit of 24 hours. Yes, students, the day is for complete 24 hours. There is no night at all. These are the areas that are called as Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle respectively. You can see there. These circles have complete 24 hours of day for 6 months and 24 hours of night for the second 6 months. Depending upon the seasons, daytime can be greater than 24 hours in the areas between the polar circle and the poles. The maximum duration of the sun appearance in the sky can be of 6 months at the pole between one season. As I told you, students, during this period the sun continues to move in a spiral on the horizon. We have seen in the standard fifth that the Earth's axis is inclined, that is tilted. These important parallels arise because of its inclination by 23 degree 30 minutes. Due to the duration and the intensity of the sunlight, different temperature zones are formed on the Earth. These zones give rise to the pressure belt. Variation in the intensity of sunlight leads to the regional diversity in plants and animals. The 0 degree longitude or prime meridian is the important meridian. The main purpose of this is to fix the global standard time and coordinate the standard time of different countries. This meridian is also called as Greenwich Meridian. Global Standard Time is known as GMT, which you have observed in the mobile phones, which is called as Greenwich Meridian Time. The 180 degree meridian is also an important. From the prime meridian, the other meridians are marked east and the west up to 180. The 180 meridian lies exactly opposite to the prime meridian. International dateline is marked with the reference to this meridian. The equator, as well as all pairs of opposite meridians form great circles. Great circles are used for finding the minimum distance between any two places on the surface of the earth. Think a little. Which important parallel passes through India? Answer: Tropic of Cancer is the important parallel that passes through India. Which area do not get perpendicular sun's rays? The northern part of India do not receive the perpendicular sun's rays. The next question, which region receive perpendicular rays on the 2 days in a year? The answer is the southern region of India, that is to the south of Tropic of Cancer, receives perpendicular rays on the 2 days in a year. Do you know? On page number 13, Vatican City is the smallest country in the world. It is spread over an area of 0.44 square kilometers, that is 44 square kilometers. This country is located within the country Italy on the Italian peninsula. If you see its latitudinal and longitudinal extent of the country, we find from west to east and also from north to south. There is no difference in the degree or the minutes of the latitude and the longitude, but the difference is in seconds. From this, we will get an idea about the use of smaller unit of minutes and seconds in the angular measurement of any place with the help of graticules. This was the explanation of your second lesson, students. I hope this lesson is clear to you. Thanks for listening to me patiently. Hope you will share this video with your other friends. Thank you.